Alright, YouTube, we back with another video. So HelloFresh sent me another free box. Okay. Today we're making crispy Parmesan chicken. Right. So, you know, they sent me the chicken, they sent me all this stuff. A couple weeks ago, or last week, it wasn't a couple weeks ago. They sent me a box, right? A box of free food. I'm forever grateful. I really do appreciate the free food because, you know, people don't really get stuff for free no more. And I think it's pretty cool. It comes with, like, you know, everything that you need. The chicken. Only thing it doesn't come with is the cooking oil. Even called the lemons, everything you need. It's everything but the cooking oil. You gotta have that yourself. But I use non-stick pans, so we lit, and it's going in the oven anyway. Okay, that's number one. But if you want to use oil, you know, you can. I'm not gonna use any oil today. Sometimes I use oil. Depends on what they send me. But today we're making the crispy Parmesan chicken. Alright, so they sent me these, the carrots, lemons. This is mine, obviously. I'm gonna add my own garlic because I like my food to taste the way I want it to taste. The breadcrumbs, the paprika, and the cheese, and the chicken, of course, and the carrots and the scallions. And so what it is, it's the chicken with carrots, a lemon, and then these chickpea looking things. I think they might be chickpeas, I don't really know. But we're gonna eat them anyway, because why not? It's probably gonna taste good. So let me get to it. Always rinse your carrots off. My hands are already clean. Always rinse off the carrots or any vegetables that you get. So I'm gonna cut this piece off because I don't want that piece on there. Carrots are all cut up. I'm finna throw some little pepper on them because that's what I do. And a little pepper. This is just me, right? Boom, ready to go in the oven. Chicken already rinsed, y'all. It's already rinsed. This is how I cook everywhere I go. Right, I'm not doing this for the vlog. This is how we eat. This is how we eating over here. Somebody can taste my food, comment below. Vontaemadeit to cook. Go ahead, comment below. You know, we getting, make sure that chicken all garliced up around it. My bad. I got music playing in the other room because it might be my Twitch stream right now. I got like a little radio Twitch stream going on right now because we lit. Let's get it. What am I looking for? Oh, brain fart. So y'all about to call me ghetto, right? But I don't care because Vontaemadeit. Stay using these, okay? These is lit. Alright. These is lit. Them is lit, y'all. Them is lit. Why does it rip off like that? Usually it breaks all the way down. There we go. There you go. I'll try the garlic peeler. That'll be lit. Now for the water boil. Yeah, I can't cook this good. Okay, you know I'm killing him. I'm cooking right now. My tomato cook better than your grandma too. Hello, and welcome to Vontaemadeit Nation. I'm not saying don't waste my channel, because I know you guys are going to click subscribe, okay? I know you're going to endeavor on this adventure with me, high quality videos to mid quality videos, okay? To the love and loss of my life, right? That's fun. Okay. So, take me, you know I got you for sure. You know I got you. But, back to the video. I really appreciate you guys coming and spending this time with me, okay? Because you guys can be anywhere. Right now, but right now you're looking at me, okay? You're watching me, and you're connected. Good chicken. Good chicken. Come. So I'm gonna call some people and see who the first person to answer when I call. Because everybody claim to be your friend, everybody claim to be like, you know what I'm saying? You can call me, you know what I'm saying, whenever you need. But let's see who really answered the phone. You know what I mean? Let's see who really answered. About to call a bunch of people up and ask them a crazy question. Let's just see if who answered and see what their response is. I'll call Savion first. He's my brother. I've done something similar to this before, and he's answered. Right? Guess he's not gonna answer.
Please
see what Insta doing. Let's see. I don't got that many people to call y'all. Very few people. So let's see. Very few people I got. Obviously, you see not answering. You should be no text, nothing.
Please leave your message for 58694.
If it was a gun in my head right now, I'm donezo. Donezo. Gun in your head. Call somebody and they better answer the phone. Gun in your head. I'm donezo. Let's see, who else can I call? No, let's see what Kaylin doing. Come on, Kay. Gun to my head. Hello?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Nothing. What about you?
You know, I'm trying to figure something out. Name your favorite Vontaemadeit songs.
Oh, yeah. I like
Case? Got one.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
You only like Case? Or the rest of them bad? Cheeks.
What?
The rest of them bad?
No.
Or you just don't like them?
I didn't say that. I just like kids.
Oh, the Case is your favorite, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got you. How's how's your date?
Fine. Happy my graduation last week.
Oh, finally!
What?
You take pictures.
Taking pictures. That's a graduation rehearsal.
What?
I said graduation rehearsal. You said pictures.
I'm talking about, are you going to take pictures? Like video pictures.
For my graduation rehearsal?
No, for the real thing, man.
No.
You know what you should do? You should start a Twitch and live stream the whole thing and then clip it. And then, you make money off the clips. You clip
No.
your
You
video.
can't even have her phones out.
What?
I'm not listening to them. That could be a long ass ceremony.
I'll stream the whole thing, whole 8 hours.
I'm not streaming at home.
The whole 8 hours. But I'm gonna let you go. It's like you were sleeping or whatever.
Okay.
Alright, I hope you watched my newest. Hey, did you see my newest YouTube video though? Oh, when you see it, you gonna be like, that's crazy. Like,
I'll watch it today.
I was spilling some tea about the place. You don't know it's in the title, but I'm gonna let you go. Alright, bye. Call 3 people, 1 person answered. And it's on day with sleep. WU. Let's see, who else can I call? I really don't got nobody else to call, really. There's just 2 people. Y'all probably like, bro, you lonely. Lonely. Let's see. Let's see what Ayla doing.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated.
Oh. Do not disturb, my bad. Hey, put your hot pockets in the oven, not the microwave. So much better.
Your call has been.
Okay. No answer. Might be asleep. Might be ignoring me. Never know. Let's see what Ian doing.
Please leave your message.
Call one more time. No, this third be killing me. What you doing?
Who's this?
It's Vontae.
Oh, who's this, boss?
You know how I change my numbers like shoes. Oh, you at work?
Yeah,
I'm trying to tap you into later.
Alright, man.
Alright, peace. That's crazy. He was at work and he answered. So for you if you wasn't doing nothing and you ain't answered, he was at work and he didn't even know it was me. But he kind of knew it was me because I had the same error code for a minute. I just changed phone numbers. W guy. She might be at work.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later.
Why don't nobody set their voicemails up no more? Like, that's how we know y'all ain't got no motion. Can't nobody set their voicemails up. If you really got motion, you got your voicemail set up for sure. You got most of your voicemail set up for sure. Let's see if Heather answered. Or Heath. Let's see if Heath answered. She hate phone laws. She hate them. She's the answer. I'm not feeling lucky with this one. Not feeling lucky.
Your call has been forwarded.
But she got a voicemail set up, so you should probably got some motion. Let's try India. Even though I didn't forget what her phone number is. Or I needed it. One, two. No answer. Sent to whatchamacallit. Declined. Let's see about this one. Maybe I shouldn't did this. This is making me feel like I need to block a lot of people's numbers.
Please leave your message.
I know she's not doing nothing. I know for a fact they were not busy. Damn, maybe I should have did this. Damn. Damn. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm about to. I'm gonna stop this right now. People real. Hold on, I got one more person. Find one person. Yeah. One person. I know I got one more person. I know I do. Yes, I don't. I really don't got nobody else. I called everybody.
At
quick interview. Call me later.
What's your first song?
No, bye.
That's crazy. At least she answered though. Alright, I've concluded. I don't got no friends at this point. A lot of people getting blocked today. But I hope this was funny to y'all, entertaining. I'm gonna try to resume it back up like a little bit later, maybe people at work, try to double call them. We'll see what's popping. What's up, YouTube? I'm about to end this vlog. I love y'all. Subscribe if you liked it. It was an epic fail, but whatever, epic fails happen sometimes. We still lit with it. We still running it up. I'm about to go ahead and start recording the next video for tomorrow. We is lit. Stay subscribed. You know, daily uploads. If you need entertainment, come subscribe now. You know what I'm saying? The content gets better and better and better as we go on. But right now we in a doozy. But support me through the doozy. I love y'all. Thanks for sharing. Thank you. Before we go, scroll down and hit the like button. If you made it to this point, you might as well hit the like button right now and share it with your grandma or something. Because we lit.